Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 28. I'm gonna explain about other kinds of adverbs. Chapter 28 or Bab 28. Adverbs, other kinds of adverbs. It is expressed more or less in the same way as they are expressed in English. That is, they may be placed before or after the word they modify, or at an appropriate part of the sentence. For example, A. Saya sudah dengar cerita itu dahulu. Adverb of time. I have heard that story before. B. Sekarang kita mulakan kerja kita. Adverb of time. Now we shall begin our work. C. Dia selalu datang pada waktu petang. Adverb of number. He always comes in the evening. D. Saya telah 2 kali membaca buku itu. Adverb of number. I have read that book twice. E. Duduk di sini. Adverb of place. Sit here. F. Anjing itu lari keluar. Adverb of place. The dog ran out. G. Hujan malam tadi lebat betul. Adverb of degree. The rain was heavy indeed last night. H. Lembu itu hampir mati. Adverb of degree. The cow is almost dead. I. Awak tetap bersalah. Affirmation. You are surely in the wrong or guilty. J. Oleh itu, dia dibuang kerja. Reason. Therefore, he was dismissed. Words to remember. Cerita, story. Baju hujan, raincoat. Guruh, thunder. Jiran, neighbor. Kain, cloth. Keretapi mail, mail train. Surat khabar, newspaper. Mangga, mango or padlock. Murid, pupil. Senja, dusk or twilight. Kertas, paper. Kilat, lightning. Ujian, test. Berjalan kaki, to go or to travel on foot. Bersalah, to be in the wrong or guilty. Dibanjiri, from the word banjir, to be flood. Menderu, to roar. Tunggu, to wait. Memandu, to drive. Sampai, to arrive. Tanya, to ask. Telap, pass through for water. Memancar, to flash. Comel, cute. Gagal, fail. Singkat, short. Lebat means heavy for rain or abundant for fruits. Berdentum-dentam or sometimes berdentam-dentum with booming sound. Sebab, because. Elok-elok, nicely. Masih, still. Mencurah-curah, pouring. Tidak berhenti-henti, unceasingly. Supaya, so that. Sebentar, a while. Seperti biasa, as usual. Hari hujan, raining day. Hari hampir senja. The day almost twilight. Angin bertiup sangat kencang. The wind blows very strong. Kilat memancar, sabung menyabung. Lightning flash continuously. Guruh menderu berdentum-dentam. The thunder roar with booming sound. Tidak lama kemudian, not long after that, hujan pun turun mencurah-curah. The rain pour down heavily. Dalam masa yang singkat, banyak kawasan yang rendah dibanjiri air. In a short time, many lower area being flooded by water. Cik Timah pergi ke pasar memakai payung kertas. Miss Timah goes to the market by using paper umbrella. Dalam hujan begini, lebih baik memakai payung kertas daripada memakai payung kain. In the raining like this time, it's better to use paper umbrella than using cloth umbrella. Payung kain telap air. Cloth umbrella pass through the water. Hujan turun tidak berhenti-henti. The rain coming down unceasingly. Pada pagi esoknya, hujan masih turun. In the next morning, the rain still coming down. Tetapi tidak begitu lebat, but not so heavy. Murid-murid yang pergi ke sekolah berjalan kaki terpaksa memakai baju hujan atau payung. The school pupils or school student who is going to school by foot have to use raincoat or umbrella. Apabila Cik Timah balik dari pasar, dia berkata kepada jirannya Cik Sarina. When Miss Timah returned from the market, she said to her neighbor Miss Sarina, "Ikan di pasar bukan main mahal hari ini. Fish at the market is terribly expensive today." "Mengapa begitu?" tanya Cik Sarina. "Why is it so?" asked Miss Sarina. "Sebab malam tadi hujan lebat, because it's raining heavily last night." "Nelayan tidak dapat menangkap ikan seperti biasa," jawab Cik Timah. The fishermen couldn't catch fish like usual," answer Miss Timah. "Itulah. Kalau hujan, nelayan susah, kita pun susah." "That is the consequence. If it's raining, the fisherman gets difficulties, we also in difficult," said Miss Sarina. Note number 1. Bukan main is an idiom which literally means it's no joke. It actually means terribly. Number 2. Itulah. Here means that is the consequence. 3. Susah means experience difficulty. Exercise 1. First, open the padlock this way, then push the door slowly. Mula-mula, buka mangga itu begini, kemudian tolak pintu itu perlahan-lahan. 2. Wait here a while, I want to buy a newspaper. Tunggu di sini sebentar, saya hendak membeli surat khabar. 3. The boy came near. Budak lelaki itu datang dekat. 4. Why didn't you come on that day? Mengapa awak tidak datang pada hari itu? 5. The kitten is very cute. Anak kucing itu sangat comel. 6. Give me a little. Beri saya sedikit. 7. Write nicely so that your letter can be read with ease. Tulis elok-elok supaya surat awak boleh dibaca dengan senang. 8. The mangoes he bought are very sweet. Buah mangga yang dibelinya sangat manis. 9. He failed his driving test twice. Dia gagal ujian memandu kereta 2 kali. 10. The mail train arrived late. Keretapi mail sampai lambat. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.